Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to upload your song, cover or remix on SoundCloud using your laptop. So all you need to do is open SoundCloud website, then log in into your account, then you should be able to see this homepage. Just click on upload here, then select the file audio that you want to upload. I'm gonna choose this Glamour remix, then select the cover for your remix. Then you can fill out all this information like the genre, tags, description, and choose that public, private, or schedule it for another date. Then click upload here. And that's it. Now you have your remix or song uploaded to SoundCloud. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.